Back with David, 5, 8, and 10. I'm in the middle of a break, Jacob. I ain't blind.
Over here, we're working on voice recognition.
Oh, question?
Yes.
Well, I was going to find my brother. You wouldn't be able to find his name, would you?
No, it wouldn't. Your voice is using your fingerprint.
Cool. Okay.
And over here, we're exploring eye print technology. People say you have your brother's eyes.
Yeah, I can do that, man. Scan fan. So 2 black gold, 2 of those.
Over here, we're working on motor payment. You inherit luxury from your family. My ancestors
Roger Lewis. It's a big dude. Number to 25, Spencer Drango. Drango sounds like a big dude name. Jalen Ramsey. Peyton. Nick Vigil. Just pull these inserts. Mackenzie. Aaron. And base. Eli Apple, Leonard Floyd, Dak and Connor Cook, Sterling Shepard. That's the 99 version. Keanu. Oh, there's an autograph right here. AJ Derby. Keenan Reynolds. That one's $1.99. Dan Marino to 99. Matt Stafford. And base. Round 1 in the books. Round 2 coming now. What's not working, Ruffy? Javon Hargrave or Javon? Oh, sorry. Paxton Lynch Mob. Jerome Bettis. Xavier Howard. $1.99. Looks like he's getting ready to do the river dance. Chris Moore. 99. Clown question, it comes up next. Malcolm Mitchell. Trying to figure out where the sweet spot is. Malcolm Mitchell. This going right down there.
Yeah.
This is the one where I told you, David, you take it out. He just wants this stuff. Yeah. Jordan Howard.
Is his name to be gone through the package one?
Yeah, if you can. Just pull out the inserts. Carl Joseph, rookie ticket. Should only be like 15 of them, maybe 20. Bronson Kafusi. Paxton Lynch, numbered to 199. 99, Michael Thomas. Warren Moon. Moons over Miami. Odell and Eli. Kenyon Drake. Ben Roethlisberger. And the last one. What? Just inserts. There aren't. Well, the rookies are inserts. Should be like 10 or 15 in there. But there shouldn't be like, you know, like most products have 100 rookies. There ain't that in there. What did he do, Rafi? Jamal Nizam. Clown question, yeah, the 47, that breaks next. Right after this box, we'll do it. Oh, Sinsanity. To case it, I don't know if there's a guarantee case it in Contenders. We haven't got Zeke, Dak, Carson, or any of those guys yet. I do it in the order they fill up skins. So I got to do that, the group break next, then a black gold for Brian, and then I believe you. I do them the order they go. They're ordered. Group break won't take but like 10 minutes though. It's only 4 boxes. And then I got to break another black gold for Brian. I have to do the group break anyway because I got to go in the order for black gold that was ordered. Oh, okay, bud. Josh, sounds good. Oh yeah, we haven't hit one of those yet. But it could be in here. We're about to find out. Or a Super Bowl ticket. Or a gold card. All kinds of stuff could be in here. Who knows? Oh, there's the case hit right there. Nick Vanett. We pulled it. Case is dead. Nick Vanett. Josh Ferguson, number to 99. Malcolm Mitchell. Green, Kevin Green. Brandon Dowdy. Cowboys. Rashard Higgins. Eli Manning. Cut right to Justin Simmons. Josh Doxson and Dak Prescott. Code card. Nick Vanett, Austin Hooper. Another Sterling Shepard. You got the 99 a second ago, now the 49. Your Sterling Shepard collection is rapidly growing. Number to 99, Jordan Matthews. Ed Reed. Tyler Irvin. On card autograph. Jeremy Langford and the base. So we have Tyler Irvin, Sterling Shepard to 49, Justin Simmons, Brandon Dowdy, Josh Ferguson, Nick Vanett, Bronson Kafusi, Carl Joseph, Malcolm Mitchell, Chris Moore, that one's numbered to 99, 199, Xavier Howard, Javon Hargrave, Keenan Reynolds, 199, AJ Derby, 99, Sterling Shepard, Nick Vigil, and number to 25, Spencer Drango, Roger Lewis. All right. Thanks as always, Dave.